how you can cancel the background noise for free. So most of the time we have to face the issue that whenever we record a video or we're doing some important meeting with someone, we have the issue that there are a lot of background noises that our mic is not able to cancel. So we have to do some external software to fix this issue. So first of all, we have to go to Google and you have to write Krisp, Krisp, download for Windows. Here you have the first option here, as you can see. This is krisp.ai, the URL. You can go directly there as well. And to download this, you just have to sign in first. I will just go here. You can also sign in with the Google as well. So I will choose the sign in with Google option. You have other option as well. So I will choose my email. Okay, so it wants some access to the services. You can give that if you want. Otherwise, just simply click on continue. Once you are logging, it will redirect you to the dashboard. And once you are on the dashboard, there will be an option here, Get Krisp Upgrade. There's actually a trial and a paid version. You can simply click on trial. There's 7 days trial, and once the trial is finished, after that, according to ChatGPT, you can have like 240 minutes per week to remove the background noises. So you just have to click here, Get Krisp, and download the setup. Here you can see this is the Krisp setup. You just double click on this, and after that it will ask for the permission and it will be installed automatically. So once it is installed, you are going to have an interface like this, and here is an option, cancel my noise, and here you can see I have 6 days left for the trial as well. So right now I am actually speaking in my mic, and this mic is actually connected with this app. So I am using Filmora here for the screen recording, and this right here is actually getting all the noises coming from my microphone and is just filtering that. So you do not have to do anything else. Just open this Krisp software, and once it is open, you can use any app, and in real time or you are recording whatever you are doing, the noise will be filtered automatically. So once you are done with this, you can just simply click this button, and the minutes for the limited time, the credits will not be considered. So yeah, that's for the video. The results for this application is awesome, and you can try it by yourself as well. So yeah, that's for the video. Please consider to give it the thumbs up, and also ask anything. If you have come up with some question, you can ask that from into the comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Press the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.